Picture this. Two friends, Michael and James, start investing with the exact same amount of money. They both buy the same stock at $50. Michael holds on, hoping for a miracle. James, on the other hand, understands the art of selling. Fast forward 3 years later, Michael is barely breaking even, while James has turned his initial investment into a portfolio that gives him financial freedom. What made the difference? It wasn't luck. It wasn't a hidden formula. It was knowing when and how to sell. Because here is a truth that most people don't realize. Buying gets you into the game, but selling decides whether you win or lose. In this lesson, I'm going to reveal how you can benefit from both active selling and passive selling. Two powerful strategies that, when mastered, can completely change the way you invest. And I promise you, if you stay with me until the end, you'll never look at your portfolio the same way again. Active selling is when you decide the exact moment to exit an investment. It's about staying alert, watching signals, analyzing data, and then pulling the trigger. Think of it like flying a fighter jet. You don't set autopilot and walk away. You're hands-on, reading every radar, making quick, calculated moves. Examples of active selling include selling a stock once it hits your target profit margin, exiting when company fundamentals start to decline, or cutting losses quickly to protect your capital. The main advantage is control. You're the pilot. You capture profits before the market reverses, and you cut your losses before they spiral. But here's the challenge. Active selling demands discipline. Without a strategy, emotions take over. Greed makes you hold too long. Fear makes you sell too early. It's a constant battle between rational analysis and emotional impulses. That's why professional investors set rules before they even enter a trade. They know exactly at what price they'll exit, win or lose. No guessing, no hesitation. Now, let's talk about passive selling. Instead of reacting emotionally, you design systems that automatically decide when to sell for you. It's like planting apple trees. You don't check every single day if the fruit is ripe. You just follow the rhythm of nature. You trust the process. Examples of passive selling include using stop loss or trailing stop orders, dollar cost averaging out of a position over time, or automated withdrawal plans during retirement. The beauty of passive selling is peace of mind. You don't have to monitor markets every second. You don't need to panic if you re-asleep when the market crashes. Your system has already protected you. This is why many long-term investors prefer passive strategies. They reduce stress, eliminate second-guessing, and allow you to enjoy life while your investments quietly do the work. So now you might be wondering, which one is better? Active selling or passive selling? The truth is, both strategies come with strengths and weaknesses. Active selling helps you capture opportunities, but exposes you to emotional mistakes. Passive selling reduces emotional stress, but may cause you to miss sudden opportunities. Here is the key insight most investors overlook. You don't need to pick one. You can combine both. Imagine driving a car. You use cruise control on a long highway, but when you hit sharp turns or obstacles, you take full control of the wheel. That's the smart way to invest too. Automation where it makes sense, hands-on decision-making where it matters most. Let's walk through a real-world example. You buy shares of a company at $50. Here's how you can mix both strategies. First, set a passive safety net. Place a stop-loss order at $45. If the stock collapses overnight, your loss is limited. Second, use a trailing stop. If the stock climbs to $80, your trailing stop follows behind at, say, 15%. If the price falls back to $68, the system sells automatically. Third, add active decision-making. Let's say new information comes out, a scandal, poor earnings, or an industry collapse. Instead of waiting, you actively sell to protect profits. This hybrid method allows you to lock in gains, limit risks, and sleep at night without checking your phone every 5 minutes. Here is something most investors want to admit. The biggest losses rarely come from buying the wrong asset. They come from selling at the wrong time. You sell too early, and the stock doubles after you exit. You hold too long, and your profits vanish overnight. Both mistakes leave scars. That's why blending active and passive strategies is like building emotional armor. It frees you from the regret of what-ifs and puts you in control of your financial destiny. Now, before I continue, let me remind you, if this is making sense and you're serious about mastering the mindset of smart investing, hit the subscribe button right now. That way, you'll never miss strategies that most investors will never even hear about. Selling is not just about numbers, it's about psychology. Active selling requires courage. It feels counterintuitive to sell when things are going well. Greed whispers, what if it goes even higher? Fear whispers, don't sell, you might regret it. Passive selling requires trust. You have to believe in your system and resist the temptation to constantly interfere. It's like letting your GPS guide you even when you feel tempted to take a shortcut. When you master both, you create balance. You learn when to listen to your instincts and when to let the system protect you from yourself. Here's how you can start building your own strategy. First, define your goals. Are you investing for short-term profits, retirement, or financial independence? Second, set your rules. Decide in advance when you'll sell, both on the upside and downside. Third, choose your mix. Rely on passive tools like stop losses for protection, and use active decisions when market conditions change. Fourth, review regularly. Markets evolve, and so should your strategy. By writing these down, you remove emotion and replace it with clarity. That's the difference between amateurs and professionals. Now imagine yourself 5 years from today. You're not glued to your phone, not panicking with every dip, not regretting missed opportunities. Instead, you have a system. You know exactly when to sell, you trust your rules, and you've built wealth step by step. That's the power of mastering both active and passive selling. It's not just about making money. It's about freedom, peace of mind, and confidence. So here's the final takeaway. Buying puts you in the game, but selling is how you win. Active selling gives you control, passive selling gives you consistency, and combining both gives you the best of both worlds. The investors who understand this don't chase hype, they don't live in fear, and they don't let regret control them. They build wealth intentionally, step by step, with strategies that work in any market. And if you want to continue building that kind of mindset and strategy, stay connected here with Investor School. Because we're not just learning about money, we're learning how to create freedom, independence, and the life you truly want.